This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to train you on how to mold turnup fascinator. This is the mold. The inside is deep. To mold this art, you need this mold fascinator. You need your hammer. I'm going to use my cinnamon. My cinnamon is a yard half for the molding and the remaining half for design. I need my pen, my brush to stiffen it, my stiffener, my scissors, cream that I'm going to use to rub the nylon. To rub it with cream. After you have tied your nylon on it, then take your cinnamon, place it on it like this. Then in order to get the shape, you have to pin your cinnamon down. You can put your cinnamon inside water. If your cinnamon is too strong for you to handle, you can see the inside. I've formed the shape with my pen. Then it's now for me to stretch it. Make sure you stretch it smooth so that we can draw it. Turn it upside down. That's where we start the molding. Then you mold it adjacently. After pin the first side of it, then you can draw it yourself like this. Just set the other side, turn it to the other side and pin it. Now the next thing for us now is to stiffen the fascinator. You get one plastic, just get a plastic and mix your stiffener. This one I've mixed it before, but if it is too thick, add small water to it. Then take your brush, then you stiffen it. And this is how to stiffen your fascinator turn-up part. The next thing is to dry it. Put it outside, let the air blow it. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.